Welcome to another episode of Declutter and Organize to Simplify. Today we're doing a light declutter in the living room. I'm starting with the TV stand, just taking a quick pass through the shelves, lightly organizing and dusting as I go. I'm on a mission to simplify our entire house to support my slow and simple lifestyle. So far, I've tackled 12 out of 16 spaces, with the living room being my 13th space. Surprisingly, most of the spaces haven't been as cluttered as I initially thought when I started this whole house decluttering project 4 months ago. I've recently realized that I think I was just feeling overwhelmed after losing my job and going through that transition. But since I also reset my home management routines around the same time I started decluttering our house, keeping our home fairly clean and tidy has become much more manageable. Even so, I want to complete this decluttering project because I've been doing annual whole house declutter since we bought our first house in early 22. This is my third annual whole house declutter, and maintenance decluttering is key to maintaining a home that is easily manageable in order to free up capacity for family and other things that are important to me. Next, I'm dealing with our board games, card games, and puzzles. I recently moved all of them to the living room when I decluttered the loft last month, and I just kind of randomly placed them around to deal with later because I wasn't sure where I wanted them. In the end, I decided to organize all of our board and card games inside our Chase lounge, and I moved the puzzles to the top drawer of our wicker filing cabinet in the corner. Next, I'm taking a look at this console table. This is one of those places that can become a bit of a catch-all, but there wasn't much to go through. 2 drawers were empty. I just took a moment to straighten things up and make sure everything was where it should be. I'm actually thinking about getting rid of the console and replacing it with our sideboard that's in the dining area, but I haven't decided yet. We shall see. Heads, make a wish. This fanny pack is the only thing I'm removing from the living room. It's going back upstairs in our closet. Finally, I'm doing a quick tidy to complete this living room reset. And there we have it, a more organized, clutter-free living room. I'll be resetting the home office next.